Kings fall, cities burn, and a dog becomes a war hero. August 16 is outrageous history. August 16 brings royal deaths, rebellious strikes, stadium-sized screams, and one very brave little dog who saved an entire ship. Every story is 100% real and weird enough to keep you binge-watching history. Number 20, August 16, 1513, at the Battle of the Spurs, Henry VIII's English army defeated the French in northern France. The French cavalry fled so fast it was said they were spurting away. Number 19, August 16, 1777, American forces defeated the British at the Battle of Bennington during the Revolutionary War. It was a morale boost that helped turn the tide at Saratoga later that year. Number 18, August 16, 1812, in one of the most embarrassing U.S. military defeats, General William Hull surrendered Detroit to the British without a fight, paralyzed by fear and faulty rumors. He was later court-martialed. Number 17, August 16, 1819, the Peterloo Massacre occurred in Manchester, England, when cavalry charged peaceful pro-democracy protesters. At least 15 died. The name marked Waterloo, except this time, the British Army turned on its own. Number 16, August 16, 1858, the first successful transatlantic telegraph message was exchanged between Queen Victoria and U.S. President James Buchanan. It took 17 hours to transmit. Instant messaging had very humble beginnings. Number 15, August 16, 1896, gold was discovered in the Klondike region of Canada's Yukon Territory, sparking the Klondike Gold Rush. Thousands swarmed north hoping for riches. Many found frostbite bears and bankruptcy instead. Number 14, August 16, 1913, Todd Jatsu scored 6 goals in a single international match for Hungary against Norway. It remains one of football's earliest ridiculous goal records. And yes, Norway lost badly. Number 13, August 16, 1920, Major League Baseball star Ray Chapman was struck in the head by a pitch and died the next day, the only player to die from an on-field incident in MLB history. Number 12, August 16, 1930, New York's first roller coaster subway car, dubbed the City of Speed, began service. Riders got a taste of public transit, adrenaline, before AirPods and passive-aggressive coughing became normal. Number 11, August 16, 1945, the Vietnamese insurrection known as the August Revolution began, leading the fall of the Japanese puppet regime and eventually the proclamation of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. Number 10, August 16, 1954, Sports Illustrated released its first issue, featuring Milwaukee Brave star Eddie Matthews. The magazine would later predict championships, course curses, and make swimsuit season a cultural moment. Number 9, August 16, 1960, Joseph Kittinger jumped from a balloon at 102,800 feet, setting a high-altitude parachute record. He fell for over 4 minutes and didn't pass out. Absolute daredevil. Number 8, August 16, 1962, the Beatles replaced drummer Pete Best with Ringo Starr. It was awkward but necessary. 1 week later, they recorded Love Me Do. Destiny had rhythm, just not for Pete. Number 7, at 16, 1964, Tiny Terrier Judy, a Royal Navy mascot, received the Dickin Medal for saving her crew during World War II. She warned of air raids, fetched water, and barked at danger. Number 6, August 16, 1974, Yugoslavia's President Tito survived an assassination attempt while visiting Bolivia. Tito lived, the plot failed, the would-be assassin was never caught. A Cold War mystery for the spy files. Number 5, August 16, 1977, Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll, died in Memphis at age 42. Fans mourned worldwide. Conspiracy theories were born instantly. Some say he's still flipping grilled cheese somewhere. Number 4, August 16, 1987, Northwest Airlines Flight 255 crashed after takeoff in Detroit, killing 154 people. Miraculously, a 4-year-old girl named Cecilia Sichan survived, becoming a symbol of hope amid tragedy. Number 3, August 16, 1995, Microsoft released Internet Explorer 1. The browser war began. Tabs would multiply, pop-ups would annoy, and Clippy would be born, haunt, and be deleted possibly forever. Number 2, August 16, 2005, West Caribbean Airways Flight 708 crashed in Venezuela, killing 160. It was one of the worst air disasters in South American history and led to major changes in airline safety. Number 1, August 16, 2012, the Maracana Massacre occurred in South Africa when police opened fire on striking mine workers, killing 34. It was the deadliest use of force by South African police since apartheid. From rebel dogs and doomed kings to cosmic jumps at browser beginnings, August 16 was chaos wrapped in mystery, but August 17 gets even weirder. Witches on trial, queens defying empires, and a spy who parachuted with secrets. Subscribe now so you don't miss the wildest time warp yet on Today in History.